So I've come across a lot of people who have had problems with WordPress 5.5.x, and since the latest upgrade there have been some issues with things stopping working. A lot of the problems are to do with sites that used jQuery. So a lot of sites and themes and plugins that used jQuery used to use, in the old WordPress, something called jQuery migrate, which was a part of jQuery, still is, and helps people to migrate from the old version of jQuery to the newer versions of jQuery. This facility was disabled in the latest versions of WordPress, and that's meant that a lot of sites have just basically stopped working on the front end, and in some instances with page builders, etc., on the back end. So the jQuery migrate helper plugin, which is a very small, very tiny plugin, and it's 5 stars all the way, just about. It's a great little plugin. You can do this manually and add in the jQuery migrate JavaScript file. If you don't know how to do that, the best thing is just to put in this little plugin, enable it as a first instance, and you may well find that most of your problems with WordPress 5.5 and above just disappear. Anyway, I hope you found that useful, and it's a great plugin. Try it out. If it works, great. If it doesn't, disable and delete it and look for other solutions. Cheers.